To remove an app from a folder on the home screen or app screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, while you are on the home screen, tap the folder where the app you like to remove is in. Long tap the app and then tap remove to remove the app from the folder. Tap anywhere outside the folder to go back to the home screen. Next, to remove an app from a folder on the app screen, go to the app screen. Tap the folder where the app you like to remove is in. Now, tap and hold the app and then drag it out from the folder and then release the app to place it on the app screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.